Welcome everyone. Glad to present you this video about how animals, plants and environment are interdependent. What happens when there is imbalance?
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to learn about a very important topic, my dear students.
I'm very eager to learn it, ma'am.
Tell me, students, what do you think about our environment?
The conditions in which you live, work is called environment.
Absolutely correct. Environment can be defined as the total surrounding of any organism in a given area. This includes the physical factors, the climatic factors, and other living organisms in that surrounding. Have you ever thought about what would happen if any of these components were missing?
I have thought about it, but I am not sure about it.
Well, let me explain it. Let me explain this to you with a small example.
Plants are the producers. Some animals eat plants. These plant-eating animals are called herbivores. Animal which feeds on another animal is called a carnivore. Carnivores eat herbivores as their food. After the carnivores eat the herbivores, the remains of the food will lie on the ground. Decomposers or organisms that break down dead plants or animals into the substances that plants need for growth. Plants are always called as producers because they make their own food by converting sunlight through photosynthesis. They also act as food, providing energy for other organisms. Animals are the consumers of the food chain. They eat other plants and animals. Humans play a role as the consumers. They depend on other organisms like plants and animals for energy. Humans are said to be at the top of the human food chain. The natural world, for example the land, air and water in which people and animals and plants live, is called environment. The environment consists of some compounds which help the plants to grow, like air, water, sunlight and soil. What is a food chain or a food web? A food chain refers to the order of events in an ecosystem where one living organism eats another organism and later that organism is consumed by another larger organism. What will happen if there is an imbalance in the food chain? In the short food chain, what happens when the frog disappears? When the frogs disappear, the snakes will not have any food to eat, so they will die out of starvation. And also, when the frogs disappear, the grasshoppers would not have any predators to eat them, so they will increase in population. What causes imbalance? Deforestation, pollution, hunting, global warming. So, if any one of the organism is disturbed, we all will be suffering. We should protect them and we should not allow any imbalance to take place. Thank you.